Hi, kids! Welcome to Alphabet Town! Press the buttons to learn about my town. A says, is for ambulance. Dial 911 for emergencies. B says, B is for bus. Hop aboard. C says, K is for clock. What's the time? D says, D is for dentist. What a beautiful smile. E says, E is for exit. See you soon. F says, F is for fountain. Make a wish. G says, G is for garden. Smell the flowers. H says, H is for hospital. Hope you're feeling better. I says, I is for insect. It's very small. J says, J is for jewelry. See it sparkle. K says, K is for kite. Up, up and away. L says, L is for library. Shh, quiet. People are reading. M says, M is for museum. Let's find some paintings. N says, N is for newspaper. Read all about it. O says, A is for onion. Chop it up. P says, P is for park. Let's play on the swing. Q says, Qu is for quail. Look, it's a bird. R says, R is for railway. Keep off the tracks. S says, S is for school. Let's learn. T says, T is for train. The train goes fast. U says, is for umbrella. It's raining. V says, V is for van. It's a delivery. W says, W is for window. Let's look outside. X says, X is for X-ray. Look at all the bones. Y says, Y is for yo-yo. Up and down, watch it roll. Z says, Z is for zoo. Look at all the animals. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Press the buttons to learn about my town. 1 o'clock. Let's go to the museum. 2 o'clock. Time to take your books back to the library. 3 o'clock. Let's play in the park. 4 o'clock. Let's go to the fountain and make a wish. 5 o'clock. Let's buy an umbrella in case it rains. 6 o'clock. Time to catch the bus. 7 o'clock. Time to read the newspaper. 8 o'clock. Let's play with the yo-yo. 9 o'clock. Time to go to school. 10 o'clock. Let's fly a kite. 11 o'clock. It's feeding time at the zoo. 12 o'clock. Let's have lunch in the park. Are you ready for a tour? Come on! We are at the exit. Let's go to the garden. Press a garden. Garden. Smell the flowers. Well done. Now, let's go by the onion. Press the onion. Onion. Chop it up. Well done. Our last stop is the school. Press a school. School. Let's learn. Well done. Let's play again. We are at the fountain. Let's go to the hospital. Press a hospital. Hospital. Hope you're feeling better. Excellent. Now, let's go by the newspaper. Newspaper. Read all about it. Excellent. Our last stop is the park. Press a park. Park. Let's play on the swing. Wow, you're so smart. Let's play again. We are at the museum. Let's go to the school. Press a school. Uh-oh, try again. Press a school. Keep going. Press a school. Oh no! Our destination is the school. Let's play again. Can you help me find it? It's near the van. Umbrella. It's raining. Wow, you're so smart. I'm lost. Can you help me find the place? It's near the library. Museum. Let's find some paintings. Well done. I'm lost. Can you help me find the place? It's near the exit. I'm lost. Can you help me find the place? It's near the fountain. Make a wish. Wow, you're so smart. Can you help me find it? It's near the van. Window. Let's look outside. Well done. I'm lost. Can you help me find the place? It's near the quail. Newspaper. Uh-oh, try again. It's near the onion. Insect. Uh-oh, try again. It begins with the letter P. Kite. Oh no! The correct answer is park. Let's play again. Come on, let's learn to spell some words. Window is spelled W-I-N-D-O-W. Press the letters to spell window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. Let's look outside. Wow, you're so smart. Bus is spelled B-U-S. Press the letters to spell bus. B-U-S. Bus. Hop aboard. Wow, you're so smart. Jewelry is spelled J-E-W-E-L-R-Y. Press the letters to spell jewelry. Press J, E, W, E, L, R, Y, jewelry. See it sparkle. Excellent. Quail is spelled Q, U, A, I, L. Press the letters to spell quail. O. Uh-oh. Try again. Q. W. Uh-oh. Try again. N. Oh, no. The correct answer is Q. U. A. I. L. Let's play again. Can you count the lights with me? Press the buttons to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Press the buttons to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. Press the buttons to count. Uh-oh. Try again. Press the buttons to count. Uh-oh. Try again. Press the button. Oh, no. The correct answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play again. Let's learn about time. Can you set the clock to 7 o'clock? 7 o'clock. Time to read the newspaper. Wow! You're so smart! Can you set the clock to 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock. Time to go to school. Excellent! Can you set the clock to 11 o'clock? 11 o'clock. It's feeding time at the zoo. Well done! Can you set the clock to 5 o'clock? 5 o'clock. Let's buy an umbrella in case it rains. Wow! You're so smart! Can you set the clock to 10 o'clock? 10 o'clock. Let's fly a kite. Excellent! Can you set the clock to 8 o'clock? 8 o'clock. Let's play with the yo-yo. Excellent! Can you set the clock to 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock. Time to take your books back to the library. Excellent! Can you set the clock to 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock. Time to go to school. Excellent! Can you set the clock to 12 o'clock? 1 o'clock. Can you set the clock to 12 o'clock? 4 o'clock. Uh-oh. Try again. Can you set the clock to 12 o'clock? 10 o'clock. Oh, no! Let's play again. Can you light up the town? Press the light as fast as you can. Wow! You're doing great! Let's play again. Can you light up the town? Press the light as fast as you can. You're doing great! Let's play again. Can you light up the town? Press the light as fast as you can. Uh-oh. 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 Well done! Let's play again. Can you light up the town? Press the light as fast as you can. Uh-oh. 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 Well done! Let's play again. Can you light up the town? Press the light as fast as you can. Uh-oh. 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 Well done! Let's play again. Can you light up the town? Press the light as fast as you can. Uh-oh. 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 Keep practicing. Let's play again. Can you light up the town? Press the light as fast as you can. Uh-oh. 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 Keep practicing. Let's play again. Come on. Let's have music fun. Press the buttons to play. Come and visit the town again. Goodbye. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,